Good morning. Today I'll walk you through how to get an eSIM or virtual numbers with AnoSIM for any verification needs you might have, making the whole process super easy and efficient. At the very end of this video, I'm going to quickly show you exactly how to verify yourself using the Telegram bot if that's something you happen to use. Each time you top up, you get an extra 10% added to your balance. But first, let's start by exploring AnoSIM in detail. Once you're logged in, or actually, you don't need to create a traditional account since one is automatically created for you anonymously in the background. When you navigate to your profile, the most important thing you'll need is funds. It's really simple. Just click on the button that says Fund Now. From there, you can choose any cryptocurrency you prefer to pay with, enter the exact amount of credits you want to add, and then hit Pay Now. That's basically all there is to it to get started. Send the money to wherever the bot tells you or where the window prompts you. Then wait a few minutes and the credits will show up in your balance. Once you're in, you also have the option to join an affiliate program, which is really useful. Just click on the affiliate tab and you'll get your own unique referral link to share with others. You get a rev link for the website or Telegram bot and earn 15% commission on all your referral spending through your link. Rev top-ups will be credited to your account immediately. You can withdraw the funds anytime you want, and the money goes directly to your wallet without any delays. Now, let's dive into how to get started with virtual phone numbers. For instance, suppose you need a virtual number specifically for Telegram. To create an account, the first step is to choose a country. For this example, I'll just select Germany. After that, you get to pick the type of number you want, and there are quite a few options to choose from, as you can see here. I'm scrolling down to the letter T and selecting Telegram. You'll notice it costs $4.95, and there are over 1,000 telephone numbers currently available for use. After that, simply click on the Pay Now button. It will only take a moment for your order to process. Once it's done, you'll see your unique order ID displayed on the screen. Be sure to save this ID in case you run into any issues later on. Finally, you just use the phone number that's been provided to you for your verification or whatever you need it for. Once the verification SMS arrives at your assigned number, it appears here on screen. The whole process takes up to 20 minutes. If no code comes in that time, the system refunds your money automatically. For example, the $4.95 you paid goes right back to your account. Then you can try again if you want. So if the SMS doesn't arrive, you get a full refund. It's a really convenient, reassuring feature. Plus, we offer the best services available. This is our data eSIM. With this eSIM, if your phone supports eSIM, you can simply browse the internet anywhere. No KYC, no registration, nothing at all. You just pick the country you need again. You can also use it on vacation, like if you're in Italy or somewhere else. I'll just pick Germany to show you. Where is it? I really have to search for Germany. Okay, Germany. Then the package is available, load up again. There are a few, like you can see, for example, 500 MB for 1 day. There are options like 1 GB for 7 days, and more. You just pick what fits your needs. For now, I'll choose 500 MB as a test to show how it works. Once you have the SIM, you can check its features, validity, speed, and support. Even if you don't activate it right away but wait up to 2 months, it remains valid. However, if unused, it expires after 180 days. After selecting your plan, just hit Pay an order to complete your purchase and you're all set. Then it takes just a moment. And then you'll already see the QR code here, which you can just scan with your phone when setting up the eSIM. Or you've got the details here too to set it up manually. And that's pretty much it. Now that your eSIM is set up, you can easily manage all your eSIMs anytime. Just click this menu to view all profiles and make changes whenever you need. Then you see here. Once you have the SIM, you can review the details, manually enter the data if you want, or just display the QR code to quickly scan it with your phone. To scan it again. Once the eSIM is activated and you basically use some of your megabytes, gigabytes used. There's also a small bar here showing how much you have left. And right here, you can also see when it expires. And that's really it. Nothing more to it. And just like that, you have all you need to browse online anonymously without any hassle. I'll attach a video showing how to verify yourself in the bot and explain it quickly. Because if you want to top up, say $10, you get an extra 10% if you're a verified ACC holder and hold at least $50 in ACC. All right. So if you're basically in the Telegram bot, in case you're using it, then you just have to click on Verify Wallet. You'll see a message asking you to send exactly 0.01 Sol to the provided address. After sending, copy the transaction link or hash and paste it into the chat to continue. And once it checks that, which takes just a few seconds, it'll tell you everything's good, perfect, you have enough ACC in your wallet. From now on, you'll get an extra 10%. Your credits add instantly once you top up the required amount. It's important to know if you set up the Telegram bot through AnoSIM or configure it yourself, as this changes how you'll interact with it. You get it when you create an account or visit a recovery code. You also get it if you first visited the website. You can still come here to AnoSIM and continue smoothly without issues. For example, you enter this recovery code in Restore, and it takes over the exact same account that you already have on the website, making everything seamless and easy to access. Because these are two different things. Otherwise, you either just use the website or just the Telegram bot. But you can easily connect both. If you've created an account here but prefer to use only the website, just take the recovery code, enter it on the site, and it basically transfers your account. That's it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask support. You can find the support button right here, and I'm sure everything should work perfectly fine for you. Have fun exploring and staying anonymous out there.